Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll teach you how to make a random password generator. So it's like you enter how many digits you want your password to be, and like it just generates a random password with letters, numbers, and special characters. So let's get started. First we'll do import random, and then we'll do import string. Now we'll do def generate underscore password, and then we'll do length. All right, now for the fifth one we'll do characters equals string. Okay, we'll do string dot ASCII underscore letters plus string dot digits, and then we'll do string dot punctuation. Okay, now we'll go here. Password equals, and then we'll do this, and then we'll do dot join random dot choice, and then we'll do another one, and we'll do characters. For in range length. Okay, now we'll do return password. Now we'll go to line 9 and do def get password, and then we'll do length. Now we'll do while true dry, and then we'll do length equals int input, and now in there we'll enter the length of the password, please. And then this is what we'll do. And then we'll do if length is less than 0. We'll do the exception handling we learned in the previous lessons. So we'll do if length is less than 0, print please enter a positive number. And there. And now after that, we'll do continue. We'll type continue. Okay, now we'll do return length. Now we'll do accept value error. We'll just click this. Accept value error. Print. Please enter numbers only, please. And there. Now we'll go down there in line 19 and skip that. Now for line 20, let's do try. Let's add a try variable here. Let's add a try function. And now let's do length equals get underscore password underscore length. Okay, now we'll do print. Let's just fix this here. Okay. Now let's do print generated password. And then we'll do comma generate underscore password. And then we'll type length. Okay. Now we'll just go here and do accept exception as E. Now we'll do print and then we'll do an F string. And type in, no, let's do something went wrong. And we'll put the sad face here. Okay, and I just delete this. And let's do the curly brackets and type E. Okay, now let's run the code. I'll ask the length of the password. Let's just type 10. And generated password is like a random thing. Now let's run the code again. Now enter the length of the password. You can if you enter like this, like let's enter not a number, and then you leave it. It will say, please enter numbers only, please. I think we entered please twice, so let's delete that. Alright. Now it says enter the length of the password. If we like enter -9, or like -49, if we like escape this, it will say please enter a positive number. And now for the final one, let's just like do 90 minus 27. And then let's escape. It'll write something went wrong if like it can't like say any of those. So I can't really show you what will happen for something went wrong, but if an error happens and like it's not either the any of these errors that I showed, like it will say that. So yeah. Now we can make it as long as we want. So if we type this, it'll just take a long time to load. So I don't recommend you do that. So yeah, I think it's still having a bit of an error, so let's just copy this, Control C, delete, Control V. Alright, now we'll run this whole code. So I think we entered a really long number, so maybe that's why it's having an error. So I guess that's it. And yeah, if it like keeps doing this, just like delete it or something. Or like just wait for it to load. If it doesn't load, like then yeah. Then yeah. I guess it's not working, but you guys can like try it out later. You guys can try this code later. So yeah, you saw what happens if we enter a really big number. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson about random password generator. And until the next time, have a great week. Bye.